हे गाइस, हरे कृष्णा, वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू ब्लॉग। तो अभी आज थर्ड डे है यहाँ पे। आज प्रोग्राम जो है ये आज ख़त्म हो जाएगा, फिर इसके बाद हम लोग का वृंदावन का प्रोग्राम है, तो हम लोग वहाँ पे जाएंगे। तो फिर चलिए चलते हैं। अभी हम लोग जो गेस्ट हाउस है ये यहाँ से हम लोग टेम्पल जा रहे हैं। तो जितने प्रभु जी लोग हैं वो धोती कुर्ता में रहते हैं, सभी को पता ही होगा, और माताएँ साड़ी में या फिर सूट में रहते हैं। चैतन्य साइड ही रहना। क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत लेट हो गए हैं, तो आज हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट यहीं पे करने वाले हैं, ये बाहर के साइड में।
नहीं मारेगा मुझे।
कौन? नहीं, ऐसे नहीं, फाइटिंग नहीं प्लीज।
वेदांशी के साथ खेलो, पकड़ के जाओ उसको, पकड़ो वेदांशी, इधर आओ।
तो अभी यहाँ पर लेक्चर ख़त्म हो चुका है और बच्चे यहाँ आ गए हैं खेलने के लिए। ये सामने गेस्ट हाउस है। तो अभी मंदिर जस्ट खुला है, तो हम लोग जा रहे हैं अंदर दर्शन करने के लिए। तो आइए आपको भी दर्शन कराते हैं। वेदांशी चलो आ जाओ, आ जाओ, दर्शन करेंगे। दर्शन करके फिर आके खेलो। तू आ गया? क्या कर रहा था? कृष्णा बने हैं क्या सभी? और ये कितना शैतान बच्चा है।
सच बताए ना तो ऐसे नहीं, सब सच बताए, सीधे साधे नहीं होते हैं,
बहुत सीधे होते हैं।
गर्ल्स तो शर्ट तक मारते रहते हैं बॉयज को। ऐसे नहीं सुने, इन्होंने इनका विचार बिल्कुल सही है। पता है क्यों? क्योंकि इंडिया में पता चला है, सूत्रों से पता चला है कि इंडिया एक ऐसा देश है जो सेकंड नंबर पे आता है पत्नी अपने पति को पीटने में।
ये कहाँ तुमने देखा है?
सच्ची है, सच्ची है। बहन और भाई में ना बहन ज्यादा मारती है, ज्यादा, बिल्कुल ज्यादा।
अच्छा, ये धनिष्ठा और ये गौरांग, ये दोनों भाई बहन है। तो धनिष्ठा आप बहुत मारते हो इनको?
बहुत ही ज्यादा, लेकिन ये बहुत
मारता है।
So better focus. One thing I complain all of our alumni is that we have now a regular online program. Why don't you join? What is happening to all of you? Why you don't join? This is my request, all of you. We are doing without fail. 6:30 to 8:30, 2 hours are spent. That would keep you. And suddenly, in a spur of moment, you lose all taste to this material world. And that is why we are here, to lose all our taste for the material world. It's so important. Okay. Devendra. Devendra is a big scholar. He's a dual degree student. And in dual degree, he published some 3-4 international papers. But I don't know, he became an international man. And I thought probably he should go become a professor. Very few I thought that they will become professor and will carry out the legacy. And I didn't find any trace of that. He was lost in simply earning money and getting a nice flat in airport in Bangalore. I'm kidding. But that's what all we do. Devendra, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, sir. Thank you very much. So, as everyone else said, we left one home and we got another home in IIT Kanpur. And Sir and Mataji has been so wonderful to all of us. And today also I feel, there is not a single day when I don't remember Sir. I cannot pass any day. My wife and I always talk, and all the good memories we have, I have in this association. And Sir gave so many, without any qualification, Sir gave so many opportunities. I remember we were talking, first Janmashtami in this land, and Raman Manohar Prabhu and Radhakant Prabhu told Sir that this time probably Devendra can become overall coordinator. So I was the first overall coordinator for the Janmashtami without any qualification, and that event was attended by more than 10,000 people. There was no place to park the car even on the road, that night during the Janmashtami. Another event we had on this land. Just to refresh my memory, we invited Agricultural University and Medical College student, and yesterday we were talking, and we went around 4 o'clock to those campuses and try, to bring the students, and we have been canvassing for that event for a few days, and we went to the campus. And most of them were running from one room to the other. They were, so when we go and knock the door, they will quietly get up and go to the other room and sleep. So somehow we got few students, and Sir had a big plan that, we should engage them for a few days here, and they should have this retreat. And Devamrit Prabhu that time was invited, and that program I think went for 1 hour, initial lecture, and then they had prasadam. After prasadam, they started they washed the hand, and then one by one he started leaving. And I still remember Rajesh Prabhu was in charge to take the feedback after every session, and they all are running, and Rajesh Prabhu is rushing behind them to take the feedback. So Sir asked why Rajesh is running behind them. So we said, Sir, he's trying to take the feedback. And Sir said, isn't that enough feedback already? So we had so many trips. I remember we did Khadusa trip, and we can see the care Sir has given to all of us. Lot of students joined that trip, had no experience of village setup, how to conduct ourselves. When we don't have adequate facility, for example, morning routines and things like that. And I remember Sir, took most of us, with torch light and things like that, how to, go and, be careful here and do this, do that. So that kind of care we have seen throughout from day one. Like, yesterday also, Vaishnav Bhar was saying that if we are not getting the chastisement from Sir, we feel incomplete actually. And I remember, I think yesterday or day before, yesterday only, my memory is fading. Yesterday only, Prabodhanand, day before yesterday, Prabodhanand Maharaj was doing the Kirtan, and I had to go and give water to my son. So Sir noticed that I'm not around during the Kirtan. Sir messaged me in the WhatsApp, where are you? Why you're not in the Kirtan? And that kind of care I cannot get from my father also. And that is what binds us. And it is very emotional, and maybe I'm not able to follow exactly what Sir wanted from all of us, but that feeling and that emotion is always there, and it cannot go without. I will feel emotional if I go on that track, but the kind of gratitude, we cannot express the gratitude which we have towards Mataji and Sir, the kind of care. I remember Sir took us to Vrindavan for 15 days trip, and we didn't know nothing. And I remember, we were going with very strict schedule and staying in the VVT, and Amars Prabhu that time, and Shobit Prabhu, Krishna Das Prabhu, and myself, 3 of us, and then Radhakant Prabhu was there. And we were not able to cope up at all. And I remember there were 2 cots, and three of us had to share. And Subh Krishna Das Prabhu found a very unique way to hide from Sir, and Sir was in another room, so he segregated the two cot and he sleep in between, so that in the daytime also he can sleep. And Sir brought one day, I think Sir was chanting and he noticed that he's sleeping, and we were all sleeping, but somehow we were like quickly got up, but he was sleeping nicely. So Sir got a bucket of water and poured on him. And that time I remember Mataji said that they have come first time here, they are not able to cope up, so why don't you take them to other temples also, and for visiting the Vrindavan temples. And Sir took us, and it was a hot summer, and I still remember in Radha Damodar temple, we were doing the parikrama of the temple, and Sir asked, tell me all the 6 Goswamis' name, and I missed one. I got confused, Raghunath Das, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami and Gopal Bhatta Goswami. So one name I missed. And Sir got angry. Sir said, get down. So there is a white, that thing where you can walk, you don't feel heat in the summer. So Sir said, stand there for some time. And I was like boiling and jumping there for some time. But these are the memories we carry along, and the kind of care, and we understand the intention and motives behind that. And I always, for anything, I'm not qualified, but Sir always remembers and calls me. This time also I was confused. Sir mentioned yesterday in the class also that I should come alone or with the family. And Sir gave me a call, and that was a touching moment. And immediately I decided that, I should go and book the ticket. Of course, later again, I got confused a little bit. But the kind of care Sir has shown to all of us, and I think that is a story with everyone. It's not just me. And Sir, I'm very grateful to you and Mataji, and I hope without any qualification you will keep showing that care and to me.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Devendra. Time Alani. So go and take prasad.
Last one. So initially